Good afternoon, welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be taking a look at this 1971 Ferrari 246 Dino GT. Hop in, let's take it for a ride. All right, here we are on the Dino. It's been sitting out for a little bit. Go ahead and start it up. Beautiful, got oil pressure. Temps are cool, half tank, and we're charging. Go ahead, we'll take it for a ride. All right, while we're warming the Dino up, we have some temp in the water right now, but the oil's still heating up. We could talk about it a little bit. This car was sold new, delivered in Rome in 1971, brought over to the US in 1988, and then most recently sold to its latest owner in 2005, where it spent the last 20 years in long-term collector ownership. This is a 246 model, so it has the upgraded 2.4 liter as opposed to the 2 liter and the 206 GTs. And a GT obviously signifying that's a coupe, not a Targa. I always loved how these Dinos handled. Feel so light. They really are compared to everything of the modern era. Dog leg 5-speed manual, gated of course. We'll get back to you once we have some more heat in the engine. Coming up to the twisties. This gearbox shifts like butter. It drives so unbelievably nice. We have some heat in the oil now, as you can see. Everything for the most part appears to be working. Horn works. Blowers working, indicated on the dash. E-brake holds strong. Lights work. This has the Plexiglass headlight covers. Alright, I hope you enjoyed those flybys. I certainly did. It's hard not to in a car like this. This car has 75,000 kilometers from new, or call it about 49,000 miles. It has benefited from a complete engine overhaul and plenty of other service history that we have on file. The entire rebuild process actually was documented, and we have photos all along the way. So I encourage you to come, inquire about the car, check it out, and we'll show you everything we got. As you can see, it revs beautifully, it shifts beautifully. It's finished in its original Rosso Chiaro over black leather interior with the matching numbers, engine, transmission. Everything is as it should be. So, I hope you all enjoyed this. I encourage you to come check it out. It's here for the taking. Until next time.